So behind me here, I have my chicken coop. I've made some changes. So on Saturday, I went and I bought some more chickens. I bought 10 more layers. I had them in my little dog kennel back here. And so I was told, I bring the chickens in, I leave them in there for 24 hours. I set them in the coop area. Thank you for that, Billy. Appreciate that. She loves to just come piss right next to me. I'm not sure. I think that's love, I guess, and go talk. Anyway, so all the chickens were sitting right down here on the bottom, up on this ledge. And then it dawned on me, you know what? I could probably build nesting boxes all along that outside, and then I could just access them from the outside and put the lid on this thing, and then my chicken wire will just drop down to these pallets and run straight across. And I'm not going to put a floor back in it. And then I'm just going to leave it like that. Anyway, that's my plan. I'm not going to show me working on this thing. I'm just going to go ahead and build it. Okay, guys, I've got most of this finished. I still got to put a door on right here. And I got to take my tube here. I'm going to cut that in half, and I'm going to use it as a culvert, and I'm going to run it across the front there, and then it'll drain down to a water system of some sort. Anyway, this looks kind of like shit, but whatever. So back here in the back, I cut some strips in it. And so you could just walk up and you can open it up and reach on inside there. Okay? That's for the egg collection system. Pretty simple stuff. Okay, so inside here, check it out. I just left this real basic, and I redid my roof. I just threw a couple pallets up there and gave it a slant so I can collect some water on it. But then all I did was I took some cardboard and I laid it flat all the way across here, and then I took pallets and I cut little, you see, these are pieces of pallets, these separators, and I just cut them every couple feet, and so that way I could screw the base plate down and have the two parts sticking up. And then I took cardboard and I stuffed cardboard in between to separate them out, and then I laid cardboard on top. And so there's cardboard on the bottom, cardboard on the sides, cardboard on the top, and then there's little pallet walls, you know, that the cardboard sits in. And then I took also from a pallet, these little boards here, and I screwed one on the back side and one on the front side. And that's it. And I just left this open because the birds hop up here at night, and it'd be easier to clean that way. I mean, all this shit will fall down underneath. But seriously, that's all there is to it. So literally, let's see, we got 2 pallets on each side, so that's 4. A pallet on the end, that's 6. 2 up top, that's 8. 1 more to make the nesting box area, that's 9. And then this 4x10 pallet on the bottom. So 12, 14, 16, 18, because I got the walls there. Anyway, that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys have a good day.